I've really forgotten how to forgotten how to. Okay, I have really forgotten how to like shoot intros and outros, and I'm sweating like a pig. This magic spell you cast, this is like Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pasti, and if you're new to my channel, then believe me, usually this is not how I start my videos, but this was sort of like a vlog. And I like to keep my vlogs very simple and raw and stuff like that. You must have already seen in the title, this is basically like a hair transformation slash coloring my own hair at home vlog. And this is definitely not the first time I'm coloring my hair. As you can see, the remains already. So iske pehle I've done it at least 4 times. And जिसमें से 2 बार I've done it at home and 2 बार I've done it parlor में. Now the parlor में, the thing is, it's very expensive, and the first time that I did it at home, I just did like I took a small fringe of my hair and colored it red. So it was very safe. It did not need bleaching. Nothing complicated was involved in that. And last year I actually colored my hair purple, and that I had done at home, which required bleaching, then coloring the hair. It required everything, but it still turned out really good. So that gave me a lot of confidence. And again, this year I was very bored, so I decided I'm gonna color my hair blue. So I switched up the setup a little bit because I had to sit to be more comfortable, because this is going to take a long time. So without further ado, let's just get into the video, and I'm gonna take you through the steps as to what needs to be done. So since my hair is dark and it's like black / brown black, जो भी बोलते हैं इस color को, so I will have to bleach my hair first. I have done that also before, so of course it's not a huge deal for me, but obviously bleaching is not great for your hair because now I think a lot of people say hair damage karta hai hair color karna. More than the coloring, it's the bleaching usually that damages your hair, because see, if I just apply color na, it's like color तुम्हारे बाल पे आएगा, but bleaching basically strips off the color, and in that, you know, a lot of the volume and the health of the hair also goes away. So I am not a huge fan of bleaching, but sometimes I really like it, and touch wood, I have been able to manage my hair and make sure that it's still soft and nice even after bleaching. You know, I usually like, because of regular oiling, I think it really helps my hair. That would be the first step. I have to bleach my hair, and after bleaching I'll obviously have to wash my hair, and after that we're gonna go in with the color. So now for the bleach, I'm using this BioReach Premium Blonder Jelly Bleach Powder. Basically it's bleaching powder, it's bleach powder. It's very easily available, koi bhi brand ka use kar lo, but obviously check the reviews. But any good brand ka, you know, bleaching powder is available very easily in the market. I ordered it from Amazon, and this developer from Streaks. The point is, you have to mix the bleaching powder and developer together, and then apply that, sort of foil mein wrap kar dena hai baal ko, and we have to wait for a while. I think for my hair 15 minutes ka waiting would be enough. And for the color, I'm going to be trying out this Paradise ka Rudolphy Blue. Now I have seen this, like the Paradise wala color, on Instagram a lot. Before this, the one that I did at home was Streaks ka, and it was like a purple color, funky purple something. That was their variant, which was really great. Like it stayed on in my hair for a very long time, so I really wanted to try it out. So yeah, and it's a semi-permanent creme color. So let's go. Before that, we're gonna go ahead and mix up our bleach, and I'm gonna switch on the AC. So if you hear some noise, please ignore it because it's very hot here. Okay, and I look so terrible. I feel at least जब मैं bleach धोऊंगी तो उसके साथ साथ जो एक बार नहाऊंगी उसके बाद I will look a little better. Right now I look so oily. It's because I'm so tired. Yeah. Things that I feel everyone should have prepared before they start. I think we would need a mixing bowl. It is always good to use a glass bowl because plastic bowl में कभी-कभी color लग जाता है, and bleaching and developer might oxidize your think so that will harm your hair, and it might like it's much better to use a glass bowl. And the next thing that we're gonna use, that we need a comb, obviously. We need a clutcher or clips, whatever, depends. We need a towel, and we also need a normal rag sort of cloth, because हाथ पोंछने का बहुत होता है, and you know, towel क्यों waste करना, साफ सुथरी अच्छी towel. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix in the color. I don't know why I'm a little nervous. It's mainly, I think, because some important guests are going to come over in like a day or two, and I don't want to be a fool in front of them, but at the same time I really want to do this, because if I don't do this today, or this is my technically my second time coloring my hair blue. I had gotten it done from a parlor before, but now he did not have much idea कि blue hair को blue color कैसे करना है. Okay, so he like I think colored my hair green first, and then basically something happened with his hair color that firstly एक दिन में तो वो हुआ ही नहीं. पहले वो ग्रीन ही हुआ था, एंड ग्रीन 2 दिन था, उसके 2 दिन बाद ही कॉल्ड मी, एंड लाइक ही हैड कॉल्ड मी कि 2 दिन बाद आप आइएगा तो मैं इसको ठीक कर दूंगा. एंड तब वो फिर ब्लू कलर किया था, विच स्टेड फॉर लाइक हार्डली 1 month, विच स्टेड ऑन माई हेयर फॉर हार्डली 1 week. एंड 1 week के बाद वो टाटा बाय बाय हो गया था, और यू नो द कलर हैड गॉन, इट वॉज ग्रीन अगेन. So basically more than the blue, my hair was green for a longer time. So मेरा blue color करने का मन बहुत दिनों से है. Wrapping my hair in foil. It's hot also. As you can see, ये खुला वाला area, you can see the bleaching has started. I'm gonna wait for about 10 to 12 minutes, then I'm gonna open one up and see अगर उसका थोड़ा bleaching हो गया जितना मेरे को चाहिए, because I don't want to bleach too much. Then I'm gonna try it out. Okay, so I am done with bleaching, and as you can see, the color has been stripped off of my hair. My hair is still a little wet, so I have to wait for like at least 5-10 minutes before I can go ahead and apply this beautiful blue color on my hair, and I'm very excited for it. They have also given a cute pamphlet that I saw threw across the floor, so I'm not going to pick it up and tell you what it is. Okay, so basically they have given pretty clear instruction as to how to color the hair and everything, and they have also asked to prepare yourself in the way that apply like a cream, lotion or some Vaseline jelly on your hands, on your this place, so that none of the color sticks to your skin. And they have asked to wear gloves throughout the entire process, even while rinsing. And along with the color, they have this shampoo, they have this little conditioner that I have to use. And yeah, so I'm super excited about it. Let's see how it turns out. I hope it looks nice on me. Even if it doesn't, I think I'll just carry it off. So my hair has been washed, and it's the moment of truth, you guys. So let's see if the color is visible or not, and I'm obviously going to change into a lighter color t-shirt to see the effects of it better. Like, I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but the blue is there. But obviously since my hair is wet, even though I waited till like for quite a while to see that the color shows up on the camera or not, but because मेरा कलर ऑलमोस्ट इतना बाकी है, so I can sort of reuse it and retouch it if I need. But I'm gonna wait till it gets completely dried up, and I'm also gonna wear like a light colored tee so that the the contrast will but I think you can see it if I, but it's still so light. The fact that it's not showing up too much is a little sad. Like that makes me a little sad, but usually always my color looks much oh, it's here. See the blue? Okay, so I've seen that my color looks much better like the next day and obviously in daylight. So I'm gonna wait it out and I'm gonna complete this video tomorrow in sunlight so that I don't feel like a loser. So like I think you can see glimpses of blue here and there, but again I'm not sure how visible it is, and I definitely wanted a more brighter and an out there blue than what I got. But that's okay. I think I'm gonna keep trying on my, see if I don't know, can you see it that it's blue? Can you see it? Okay, yeah, it is blue. I'm not crazy, it is blue. But I'm not entirely happy with the way it has turned out, so I'm not ending this video here. If I do get a time tomorrow, if I do get the time tomorrow, so I'm gonna be reapplying the rest. Jitna bacha hua hai, itna bacha hua hai, so I'm going to be reapplying that to the parts where I think the color could have shown up but it did not. So I'm going to be reapplying that, and even on my black hair in the length I'll just apply the whole thing, and then let's see if it becomes brighter, or maybe it's just the color, or maybe it's just me and blue just don't go together, which is going to be sad because this is one color that I really always want to try. So yeah, anyway, so for now, so for now, bye. I'll see you tomorrow, or maybe like this video will end once I have retouched and reapplied the color on my entire hair sort of, and then seen the results. Yahan pe it's showing up very beautifully. Stupid. Okay, so very fun fact. Now that I'm in the house and there's no noise bahar ka, thoda AC ka awaaz aayega, please bear with me because it's too hot. Fun fact, so bear with everything. Okay, this is going to be very random and stuff, but basically, wow, andar dekho to, if it's visible that it's blue, it's looking nice only, but when I'm trying to show that it's blue, it's not happening. So now I'm not gonna try, and whatever, just like yeah, whatever. अभी मैं रूम के अंदर आई तो कैमरा पे ऐसे मुझे दिख रहा था, ठीक है, see it's visible, so it's happened, but when I'm trying to show it on camera नहीं दिख रहा. So now you guys have to just make do with it and just accept that I do have blue hair and just accept that. Secondly, this whole makeup यहाँ पे पूरा इतना ज़्यादा ब्राइट, स्पेशली बाहर जब मैं धूप में जा रही थी, इतना ज़्यादा ब्राइट ऐसे एप्पल की तरह लग रहा था, एंड आई हेटेड इट. लाइक आई डोंट लाइक ब्लश ऑन माई फेस अलॉट. लाइक आई फील ज़्यादा अननेचुरल लगता है, एंड लाइक अ पार्ट ऑफ मी इज लाइक मे बी आई हैव जस्ट नॉट लर्नड हाउ टू अप्लाई इट वेल फॉर माई फेस, which might be true, that's fair. But I was trying out this tint and I tried it on my lips and ठीक था, अच्छा लगा मुझे कलर, तो मैंने बोला अच्छा ठीक है. Okay, and on my cheeks also I applied a small quantity and then I made sure I blended it out very nicely. और अंदर नहीं लग रहा था इतना हार्श, जैसे अभी भी अंदर मुझे ठीक लग रहा है. It's not that harsh. I can see like the redness. but it's okay. Like next time if I do it like under my base, then it'll have the pink thing that I want on my face without giving me this tomato look. But ठीक है, बाहर जाके पता नहीं क्यों इतना भद्दा लग रहा. I hated it. Okay. Anyway, coming back to the point, this is a hair transformation, not me bitching and doing my makeup. But just something's not going right with me and content right now. The more and more I try my best to shoot, something is happening that I'm unable to shoot. But anyway, I'm ending this video here. It's been what, 10 days से तो ज़्यादा हो ही गया since I've colored my hair, and the color is there. It's pretty visible, like in my real life, especially if I'm not wearing. Okay, just like see, it's actually pretty visible. It's not even like hidden. Like last time तो बहुत ज़्यादा hidden था. Ab is like if you spend like half an hour with me, you will catch a glimpse of it. It's not very out there because I really didn't know how to put it out there. But ठीक है, I am happy with the way the hair color turned out. I did retouch it, but मैंने जहाँ retouch किया था ना, जैसे like these parts which were like already bleached मेरे बाल का, it didn't like the color didn't really catch on, so that may be my fault or I just don't know why. But ठीक है, I don't mind the way my hair is right now, but I don't want to elongate this video longer because मेरा color छूटता ही जाएगा. Today was like my second wash technically after I've colored my hair, so इसके बाद तो okay. See, just see the abundance of color. Secondly, I don't know धूप कब आएगी, और आज मुझे genuinely लगा ठीक है धूप थी. मैं around, आज वेदर कोई क्लाउडी बिल्कुल नहीं है. मैं अराउंड 3 देखा, बहुत अच्छी धूप हुई थी, तो आई वाज लाइक चलो चलो जल्दी झटाझट एकदम तैयार होके वीडियो खींचते हैं, वीडियो ले लेते हैं. मैं अंदर रूम में लास्ट चेंज की हूँ. दिस टी शर्ट आई वोर सो दैट कॉन्ट्रास्ट में दिखे. ठीक है, चेंज क्यों, तब तक धूप थी बाहर. जैसे ही मैं ट्राइपॉड वहां लगाई हूँ, धूप चली गई. एंड दिस इज वॉट इज हैपनिंग. इतने दिन से मुझे धूप मिल ही नहीं रही है, और मैं भी बिजी चल रही हूँ, तो मुझे भी पूरा टाइम नहीं मिल रहा कि जैसी धूप हुई तब तक मैं रेडी हूँ. पर इट्स नॉट हैपनिंग ओनली. सो दिस इज द मोस्ट लाइट दैट यू कैन प्रॉब्ली सी मी इन राइट नाउ, एटलीस्ट विद द हेयर कलर. इसके आगे देखते हैं. ये नेचुरल लाइट में सबसे ज्यादा खिलना चाहिए था, इसलिए मैंने ये नेचुरल लाइट में लिया. इसके आगे आई विल बी शूटिंग मोर वीडियोज, तो इससे तुमको ग्लिम्सेस में दिख ही जाएगा कि मेरा बाल कलर्ड है. But with that, we come to the end of this hair transformation. I would personally call this a successful transformation. It's not like 100% of what I wanted from this hair color, because I really wanted like a wow, but it's like, oh, I love it. Okay, it's not a wow for me, so I love it. And I'm enjoying my blue hair days also. But yeah, with that, we come to the end of this video. If you liked watching this video, then please do give it a thumbs up. If not, then let me know what you didn't like about the video, and I would love to hear your feedback. Apart from that, if you have any questions regarding hair color, hair care, hair routine, post coloring hair care and bleaching, damaged hair, anything you have any questions, queries, doubts, comments, let me know all down in the comments down below. And that's it. I'll see you hopefully very soon with another video. Till then, bye. Take care. Stay happy. Stay healthy. And just take care of yourselves. I'm also gonna try and do that. So yeah. Peace out, bitches. I've really forgotten how to. I've really forgotten how to. Okay, I have really forgotten how to like shoot intros and outros, and I'm sweating like a pig.